Next up, Left Behind 2 and Last Farewell 2. This is kind of a joint mission. You can do both of these in one go. I don't think you need to pick between them, but essentially you'll need to bring with you a marker in order to get this done. So either grab one from the quest messages or make sure that you buy one from the shop. When you have one, you can head all the way up to Midnight Sapphire in the far north side of the map. Then, zooming in, this is exactly where we'll need to head. 168, 169, this location. Over here, you'll find a body. We'll simply need to place the tracker on that body and get out. That should complete both Left Behind 2 and Last Farewell 2. Around this location, you'll also find a couple of guards, but essentially we need to get right here. So, taking care of the guards, we should be able to push in, and getting rid of that one, we should be able to find the body right here by this little flag. So, we'll walk up to it and place the marker on it. Once you've done this, you're able to pretty much get away with both of these missions complete, as you've not only found the body, but you've also placed a marker on it. So, thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!